Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Today, as you can see, we're going to be changing a hub assembly on a trailer, car trailer, 3,500 pound, 5x114 bolt dimensions. So I'll show you what we have here. Got this kit from Princess Auto, hub kit, 3,500 pound by 4.5. This is what they supply. Got everything open out of the box, so brand new hub, 5 nuts, castle nut, bearings, dust shield, and basically it. So first things first, what you got to do is make sure the trailer is secured, tires off, and we'll show you how to replace a hub assembly. Just get this sorted out. Okay, so first things first, take the dust shield off. Then with a channel lock and a hammer, basically go on this side over here, a little bit of force, spin it around to the other side, and there you go. Next, what we do is get a rag, clean out all the grease. Okay, now you'll see there's a cotter pin right here. Make sure you straighten it out. Make sure it's flat, and hopefully with a few taps it should just slide right out. Clean it all off. Put that aside, and then next comes the castle nut. Castle nuts off. Now slowly, what you want to do is slowly just slide it back, and there you go. So inside of the hub, you got the outer washer, you got the bearing, and then on the back, you got the outer ring, and the bearing sits right in here. So what you want to do is once you take all of it off, you want to check to make sure everything looks to be okay, which it looks like it is. Then what we're going to do is we got the brand new hub, and then we got the outer, I guess if you want to say, rear dust shield and the bearing. So as you can tell, the bearing is dry. What we got to do is grease it all up. So make sure you have some grease with you and slowly apply it. All the way around. Now make sure you get into every spot around here and around here, and never skimp out on grease. Okay, get some more. Do the back. Okay, that looks good. Do the front a bit. And what you want to do is try to hold it and see if we can move it back and forth freely. Make sure everything's covered. Okay. So now we've just put that aside. You can tell this is dry. So we're gonna add some grease to it. Got our grease gun. Okay. Now what you want to do is apply the grease evenly all the way on the inside. Like so. Nicely covered. Doesn't hurt to put a little bit on the inside where the shaft's going to go into. So now what you can do is place that down, put your newly greased bearing in. Sorry about that, wrong side. Make sure you do the outer first. I did the inner first. So this is the actual back side that'll be right there. There you go. Put the bearing in. Just like that. Then you get the back, which is going to be right back here, and fit it in nice and slow. What you may have to do is get a hammer and just lightly tap the outside like so. Okay, that's fully seated now. That's the back of the bearing right there. So now we clean this. Make sure to take all the rocks out. Okay, there it is. That's the front. Slowly seat it in like that. Okay. Now we get the front bearing. It's going to sit right inside here. Same thing. Grease the outside, inside. Make sure that the bearing is nicely greased all the way around. Okay, it's not the prettiest, but it's got to be covered. Lift that up a tad, slide that in, like so. Get the washer, that's going to go right here. Sort that up a bit. Now you want to put the, this is the smooth side, this is the rough side. You want to put the rough side facing out, like so. You get your brand new castle nut. Put that in. Now, what I usually do is try to keep it finger tight, and you don't want to put too much. You don't want to make this really tight, because or else this isn't going to turn. So, best way to do it is with your channel locks. Try to go like that and feel it out. If it feels like it's sort of, you don't want to make it really tight. So what we usually do is, that's tight right now, go back about a quarter turn, and you can see it's moving quite freely. So you get your new cotter pin. It comes in the kit. All this was bought at Princess Auto, and you find the hole, which is right here. Sometimes you probably got to bend it a bit. Doesn't want to work. Tap it in. These I find are a bit difficult. So that's where it's supposed to come out. But for us today, it's easy. So grab the end. What I usually do is try to hold it with one and pull with the other. There you go. So you want the corner to be flush with the castle nut, because you got to remember, you got to put the dust shield on here, so it's got to be smooth all the way around. So as you hold it with that, hit it a bit with that, make sure that's flush. Like so. And then just for good measure, I usually put grease around here anyway, just to make sure everything's nice, doesn't start rusting out on you. Because more than likely it's going to happen when either you're on the highway or you got a car on top. So what we'll do is we'll grab some grease, throw some around here. All-purpose grease works. This is ball bearing grease, so some come in different colors, but it doesn't really matter anyway. And there you go. That's the new dust shield that comes in the kit. So what we're going to do is coat a bit of this. Like so. Most of the time should go in nice and easy. Just remember, if you're using a hammer, go around all four sides. Doesn't want to work. And there you go. Clean the excess off. Make sure it's nice and clean. And there you go. Put a brand new hub assembly on a car trailer. What you want to do is just for good measure, spin it like that. Seems good. Let's supply you with 5 new nuts in the kit. The socket for these are 13/16. And put the tire back on, torque them down. I used to torque them to 100 foot-pounds, and that's basically it. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day.